Hey everybody, welcome to Texel. Are you planning to go on holiday vacation to a high-tech hotel and cannot decide on a place and the hotel? So here's how we have made your task easy. Today, we are going to go over the top 7 new high-tech future hotels. Make sure to watch until number 1 because it's one of the most luxurious hotels in the world I have ever seen. Hotel 7, Resorts World Las Vegas. A new high-tech future luxury resort is planning to open in Las Vegas, and it could be the first venue to open in the United States. The resort, called Resorts World Las Vegas. This hotel is an international spectacle, so innovative, so diverse, so immense in scale, and scope is designed to electrify the senses in every conceivable way. The future resort has highly qualified restaurants where you have extensive food and beverage portfolio offering a wide range of cuisine from authentic street food to Michelin-starred dining, including concepts entirely new to the Las Vegas Strip. The World Las Vegas Resort has a casino where you can find 117,000 square feet of gaming, from slots, table games and private saloons to a dedicated poker room and high-limit areas. The resort has a shopping section where you find curated luxury retail collections featuring internationally recognized brands. The new high-tech future hotels has a pool and spa where you find a 222,000 square foot pool complex with 9 unique pool experiences, including 1,800 square foot infinity pool with spectacular views of the Las Vegas Strip. World-class spa and fitness facilities. The resort is made with high technology where you find a 100,000 square foot Westar LED screen, one of the largest LED building displays in the US. The new resort has a 5,000 capacity state-of-the-art theater and 65,000 square feet of nightlife and daylife space. This hotel is almost complete and planned to open in summer 2021. Resorts World Las Vegas is being displayed by Genting Berhad, a publicly traded corporation registered with Nevada Gaming Commission. The property has affiliated integrated resorts in the Americas, Malaysia, Singapore, the United Kingdom and the Bahamas, with projects costing about $4.3 billion. Hotel 6, Hanna Hotel. Here is another new high-tech future hotels is Hanna Hotel, which is commonly known as Weird Hotel, which is located in Tokyo, Japan. The world-famous Louis Vuitton Bosch Hanna Hotel is renowned for its innovation. The new high-tech future hotel, Hanna Hotel, is highly depends on robot and AI and machine learning technology. You might recognize it for its robot dinosaur. With androids and dinosaur-like robots, the hotel check guests in at the front desk without any hassle. These robots are capable of basic conversations in Japanese or English. There is also a miniature robotic personal assistant in each room, which provides local entertainment and drinking recommendations. In this new high-tech future hotels, you will get robot garment cleaning, LG styler, high-speed Wi-Fi and 4K liquid crystal television. You can also borrow humidifiers, electric food warmers and ice non-cooling pad pillows for free. In hotel amenities, you will get a bath towel, face towel, gown, hair dryer, toothbrush set, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, slippers, razor, grooming set, cotton balls, hair tie, cotton swabs and hairbrush. The Hanna Hotel also has a tablet face recognition system that's let you open your room door with your face, and the Radiant Panel air conditioning system can easily adjust the entire room temperature according to your body heat. In the first floor of this high-tech hotel have their restaurant, and you will get many other variations of food like Japanese, Western food and the Indian cuisines and many more. Breakfast in this advanced hotel is served in a buffet format from 6:30 to 10 AM, or you can take it out and eat it. The restaurant is not open for lunch or dinner. It can be used only for hotel guests. You need to spend on $49 USD per night. Dawang Mountain Resort. Here one is the latest competition-winning design and new high-tech future resort, the Dawang Mountain Resort near Changsha, China. The Dawang Mountain Resort is being constructed directly on top of a historical cement mining, and the main part of the building is swing over 300 feet of the lake, and the center will contain a glass city which connects the floor to the rest of the complex. New high-tech future resort is a combination of an entertainment ice world with an indoor ski slope, a water park and supporting restaurant and shop facilities. At the time when visitors walking or standing on the cliffside pathways can look into the building through the transparent space, create an interactive visual contact with the interior of the snow and ice wall. The inside leisure functions of this new high-tech future hotels has a hanging garden that creates a new leisure space of islands, water, cliffside pathways and ramps connecting the building to its natural heritage. This unique plan of open space in between architecture and landscape is characterized by an impressive central glass cone that provides controlled natural daylight down through the ice wall structure and onto the islands. A pillar of the outdoor swimming pool is part of the water park attractions and creates a 60-meter high waterfall down into the quarry pit. On the south end of the site, a separate sculptural tower of 100-meter high hosts a 5-star hotel and is connected to the ice wall via the Grand Garden Plaza. Construction of the Dawang Mountain Resort is already started and the complex should be open at the time of the 2022 Olympics. Hotel 4. Pangang Space Capsules Hotel. Another new high-tech future hotels is planned to open Tower B of the Economy Mansion in Shenzhen's Bao'an district in China, and it could be a high-demand hotel to open in China. The hotel called Pangang Space Capsules. The Pangang Space Capsules hotels are becoming more popular because of its new innovative futuristic design. It is open in the major tourist attractions and commercial centers and the overcrowded cities of the city. The new high-tech future hotels has nothing new, however, a little different is there. They promoted all the sci-fi stories and brilliant theories. This new resort is made in space-themed hotels that have incorporated advanced artificial intelligence and robots in its services. Staff of this ultra-futuristic capsule hotel are not human, but they are very well-trained robotics who are looking after all of your needs from serving drinks to booking tours. The private pods are very compact, replete with all luxuries and self-sufficient as individual units. The decor reminds one of an old-fashioned sci-fi movie with cute, stocky robots and UFO-themed furnishings. This futuristic new high-tech capsule hotel has the brightly LED feature flat screens tablets and a mission control station where you can control the lighting, temperature and the automatic sliding doors. While this resort might not offer the biggest rooms and comfortable environment, it is incredibly cheap at less than $20 a night. It really does give you a glimpse into the future. If you are a solo traveler looking for an ideal accommodation for some peace and quiet, then the Pangang Capsule Hotel is the perfect place for you. Hotel 3. Sea Palace Resort, Dubai. New luxury high-tech future hotel that floats on water is planning to open in Dubai Marina, and it could be the next iconic accommodation option in the United Arab Emirates. The floating resort called Sea Palace Resort. This new high-tech future resort will consist of a luxury hotel surrounded by 6 floating houses which can be disconnected and set sail on their own. The architecture was inspired by glass-bottom boats, and the houses will have see-through floors and the furniture designed by Aston Martin. The houses are operated by automatic smart systems and include self-sterilizing air filters, solar energy panels, and garbage recycling systems. It has been announced that the project of this new high-tech future is about 75% complete and that the houses are currently in the last stages of construction. This future resort is planned to open in 2021. It is being constructed by Seaject Shipyard, an Emirati shipbuilding company, with the project costing about $164 million. Hotel 2. Morp Hotel. Here is another newly innovated and high technology future hotel that floats on water. This project intends to develop a new luxury hotel concept where users have the opportunity to experience a stay in a floating system moving around the world. Its spine-like design and self-sustaining ecosystem is certainly futuristic, and the vessel is built around a flexible spine half-mile long, and it can change shape into a harbor or become one symmetrically long units based on the ocean currents and can adapt to different weather conditions. This new high-tech future hotel has certain features: capsules housing guest accommodations and amenities like theaters, gardens, restaurants, and a swimming pool. In addition, a helipad and detachable boats are included to give guests the opportunity to explore the surrounding area. To keep the property functioning at sea, the MORP Hotel integrates solar panels, floating vegetable gardens, and rainwater harvesting facilities. So guests would have the ability to explore on land, and locals would be given access to the amenities on board. This futuristic high-tech hotel was designed by Gianluca Santesuoso and has not declared the estimated completion date till now. As this hotel is not yet launched, there is no information about the price for its stay, which makes us more excited than how much it takes to be a part of such an amazing experience. Hotel 1 Aurora Station. The Aurora Space Station was a technology concept for a private commercial space station in low Earth orbit. Most of us wanted a spacefaring adventure, and to walk on the moon, the future looked really promising and challenging, thanks to the science for remarkable progress in the privatization. You might be able to travel to the first official space hotel in just a few years, but it can be hard enough to keep on top of your competition down here on Earth. The new high-tech future hotels will be about the size of a large private jet cabin, measuring 13.3 by 4.3 meters with a pressurized volume of 160 cubic meters. Aurora is built as a cozy yet comfortable space for guests as compared to the International Space Station, which is 109 meters long and has an internal pressurized volume of 916 cubic meters. This futuristic high-tech space hotel has high-speed internet, which is one of the biggest priorities for guests who can share their hotel experience with friends and family back on Earth. Because of no gravity, the guest will shower and use the bathroom just like astronauts on the International Space Station, so you can get comfortable showering out of large plastic bags. Due to zero gravity, cooking food in the Aurora Space Station is extremely dangerous. You will get food as gourmet and need to follow an astronaut diet. This futuristic high-tech hotel will be the first official space hotel that was announced on 5 March 2018 by Orionspan, a startup aerospace company in California, United States, funded by Peer Venture and Berkeley. This futuristic hotel will be open to the public in 2022. The first 4 months of travel have already sold out. The reservation fee of this high-tech future hotel is $9.5 million, with the requiring deposits of $80,000. The space hotel is also accepting booking payments via cryptocurrency. So, what are your thoughts on the launch of these new hotels? Do you think it's a good place for relaxation and for a break from daily life? Or is it something extravagant which wastes money? Well, whatever your opinions are, do let us know down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching the video, and if you are new to this channel, please press the red subscribe button, leave a like and hit the notification bell so you always get notified about our newly released informative videos. We are trying our best to bring new tech related information to you every week. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos of best invention for mankind, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.